Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of Unbox with Alex Trin, and in this episode of Unbox with Alex Trin, we will be unboxing the PLAYAIBOX 2-in-1 wireless smart dongle that enables your vehicle to have wireless Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. So I got this from Amazon on sale for $29.99 from Amazon. Today we'll be unboxing this thing and checking this wireless smart dongle out. But before we do, let's go ahead and take a look around the box. So here it is. Here's the presentation. This is a 2-in-1 wireless smart dongle. This is from PLAYAIBOX. Here's the wireless smart dongle itself. Such a small gadget here. We will be checking out what we will have inside of the box. But let's go ahead and take a look around the sides of the box. So on the right side of the box here, you can see we have icons. This means it's wireless. We have a cable and some applications. On the left side of the box here, it says it can have Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. I really don't know what that is. So pretty simple packaging for $30, which I got on sale. Usually these typically go about $60 when I was researching online. Here's the barcode. You want to look this up online. PLAYAIBOX wireless online update. So you can find this on Amazon. And with that being said, let's go ahead and take a look on the back side of the box. So here's the back side of the box, which only says smart dongle. Here's the parameter or the specs. Here you have the CPU, the wireless, the dimensions, operating temperature, and all the other stuff. Here it supports iOS 10 and above or Android 11 and above. This can enable Android Auto or Apple CarPlay wirelessly, better than having a cable attached to your phone. And here comes in with this small little box. So once we lift up the box, here's the smart dongle. And this is a super small dongle. This is like a smaller than a typical USB drive here. So here's a closer look at the smart dongle. Here you have this LED indicator light, and underneath the box here we have more stuff. Here this comes included with an adapter. Here this is a USB-C to USB-A adapter. And here is the user manual, which we'll take a quick look at the user manual. And let's go ahead and take a look at the user manual here. Please read the instructions before use, which we will do. So this is some kind of generic user manual. And you can always pause the video if you want to read this. And it is compatible with car models and mobile phones, how to connect to wireless CarPlay, how to connect to wireless Android Auto, how to switch CarPlay and Android Auto. And here you can follow the step-by-step process. And the real reason why I got this is because I don't want to connect my cable to my iPhone. Usually once you connect your cable to my iPhone, it usually heats up the iPhone because it's literally charging, and I don't want to charge when it's already at 100%. But back to this, and I had to switch to CarPlay, and here you can see how to upgrade the OTA version, and it also includes after sales service. So yeah, so pretty straightforward instructions. So what I'm gonna do is we're gonna take this to my car and see how well it works. But the build quality it's just a plastic USB drive, nothing special. So I'm going to go ahead and take out a US quarter for size comparison to see how small this is. And I really like the sleek design. So you don't want, for me personally, I don't want a USB drive that's larger than this sticking out of my car's interior. So let's go ahead and take it to my car and see what this can do. So we are in my 2018 Nissan Rogue. Let's go ahead and turn on power on my car. So here is the Nissan Connect. Everything is powered on. Here you can see how my cars connect to my phone via Bluetooth. We're going to connect this with this smart dongle that we have here. All you have to do is plug in to the car's USB port, which only comes from here. This is a 2018 Nissan Rogue, as you can see here. And once you plug it in, it's going to take you through, go back to the screen up here, go to the menu and press CarPlay, and it should show up CarPlay, as you can see there. Once you hit CarPlay, it's going to tell you to connect your Bluetooth smart dongle, and all you have to do is go to your iPhone, which I have here. Go to the settings on your iPhone, go to the Bluetooth section, and connect to the smart dongle, as you can see right there. So just give it some time and it should connect to your car with this smart dongle that is attached into my car's interior. So after several minutes of having it load, here is the car's original infotainment system. Once you hit CarPlay, you are on, I am on the Apple CarPlay system, so this should work for Android Auto. And here you can see it works flawlessly. Here's all the other apps: ESPN LA, Google Maps. We're going to use Google Maps. I'm going to go ahead and drive to Costco, and let's go ahead and take this thing out on the road. So we are driving on the road, so we have no issues here. I'm also not going to play some music, but it does work. The reason being that for copyright reason, I don't want to play music and get a copyright while making this video, but it does work with maps. So the one thing that I know won't get copyrighted is playing a podcast, as you can see here. Here you have, I have maps on one side with the directions on the right side, while a podcast playing in the background. And yes, this does work flawlessly. No problems at all. And here you I can increase the volume. See, and it does work really good. And yeah, so I really recommend this device if you want to have wireless Apple CarPlay and wireless Android Auto. So yeah, so that is it for this episode of Unbox with Alex Trend. If you like this video, please give this video a super huge thumbs up. Comment in the comment section below on what you think about this device. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Be sure to get my other YouTube content that's on this channel. And thank you for watching Unbox with Alex Trend. I'll definitely see you on the next one.